SiteGround Managed WordPress Hosting Review, Usage Experience. Links to SiteGround and its plans are in the description. Now, let's get straight into what this hosting offers. SiteGround is a premium managed WordPress hosting provider known for its speed, security, and excellent customer support. It's designed for bloggers, small business owners, and even developers who need reliable performance without the hassle of manual optimization. One of its standout features is its speed. SiteGround uses Google Cloud Infrastructure, SSD storage, and built-in caching through its custom SG Optimizer plugin. This ensures fast loading times and a smooth user experience. Security is another strong point. SiteGround offers daily backups, free SSL certificates, an AI-driven anti-bot system to block malicious traffic, and automatic WordPress updates. Their security-first approach makes it a solid choice for those who prioritize site protection. Additionally, SiteGround provides managed WordPress hosting with automated updates, staging tools, and developer-friendly features like Git integration and WP CLI support. Their customer support is top tier, available 24/7 via live chat, phone, and tickets, with knowledgeable staff who actually understand WordPress-related issues. The intuitive Site Tools dashboard makes managing websites easy, even for beginners, replacing the traditional cPanel with a more streamlined experience. While SiteGround is a strong option, it's not the cheapest. Pricing starts higher than budget hosts, and renewal rates increase after the initial term. However, the reliability and performance justify the cost for serious users. In short, SiteGround is ideal for those who need a high-performance, secure, and well-supported WordPress hosting solution. If you're serious about website performance and stability, it's worth considering. Check out the links in the description for more details.